Guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shardemarie. If you are new here, welcome. And in today's video we are doing our holiday glam look number 2. So in the first one I showed you guys something super simple with an eyeliner and a gold eyeliner and a red lip. But this time this is for the girls that want to go super glam but in the pink realm, and I am in love with this look. I don't know where I'm wearing this look to, but I need to wear this look somewhere this holiday season. So if you are interested in seeing how to get this eye look and this lip, then continue to keep on watching. Okay guys, so let's hop right into this makeup look. Again, this is just going to be eye focus just because the face, again, are products that I've used plenty of time, but we are going super glam this time around. In the last tutorial, I showed you guys a bold but simple makeup look. This one is going to be more of the glitz and glam for those girls that want to do it up a little bit more on their eyes. So today's palette that we're going to take is from Alter Ego, and it is their Daydream palette. I did a review on this palette months ago. If I can find it, I'll have it listed down below so you guys can check it out, so you can guys get my first impressions on this makeup palette. But this is supposed to be a dupe of a Huda Beauty palette, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is a dupe for a Huda Beauty palette. I'm not, maybe the Rose Quartz or the Nude, maybe the Nude palette. I think this is what this is supposed to be a dupe of. So if you cannot afford the real thing, get the knockoff, and that's exactly what I did. I got the knockoff. So this is the palette of choice today, and because we're going super glam and I want to make sure that my eyeshadow is super sharp and super precise, I'm going to take my e.l.f. eyeline tapes, and we're just going to place it at the edges of our eyelids. Okay, so first things first, we're going to go in the palette and take this concealed color here, and then we're also going to go over top of it with the color Glow. So conceal, obviously you conceal the eyelids, and then Glow to have something on our lids as a base. So I'm just taking this Alter Ego number 4 brush and going to place that all over my eyes. Okay, so this is where we at right now. Again, trust the process, you guys. Trust the process. I went up a little bit more on this eye than I wanted to. I was trying to stop right where my crease stops, but I went up a little high, but whatever. So next we're going to go into the color Bubbly, which is right down below it, right here. It's like a muted pink color, because this is going to be a very pink look. So I'm going to go into that color Bubbly, and we're just going to put that all over the lids as well. Alright, so this is where we at right now. This is actually cute where we at. And you can go ahead and rip this off, clean up the edges, and go about your business. Like after you do your makeup, like your full face obviously. But this is not a super neutral look. No, 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 baby. So next we're gonna go and do our outer corners. So the color we're going to take today is the color called, where is it? Enchanted. Right here is like a deep purple burgundy color. And I'm just going to take this brush, the Weekend Vibes number 5 brush. I used this in a tutorial earlier, and because it already has like that color on there, I just thought it would be perfect for this. And again, we're just going to place this in our outer corners. Okay, so now we're moving on to the fun stuff, the glitter. So we're going to do 2 glitters, one over the rest of the eyelid and then in the corners. Well, the first glitter is not going to be that much in the inner corners, but like on the lid, because we still need to make a little bit of room for the other glitter. But the other glitter is also going to be part of our inner corner. But one thing about this palette, it gets super messy. So the first glitter we're going to take is Fairy Tale, which is right here. We're going to take that and place that in our part of our inner lids. Okay, so one thing about this glitter, you could wet your brush to make the glitters pop even more, but I like the way that it looks. Like it gives it its shine, but it's not overly shiny. And then the next glitter we're going to take is the color called Star Cross, which is right over top of it. And as you see, it does get messy because I am getting some fallout here. And the brush that I'm using is the It's My Way number 9 brush from BH Cosmetics. But this is why you do your eyes first. So when you have situations like this, you can just wipe off the glitter and bam. Okay, and this is basically the eyes mainly done. Minus, of course, the everything else we need to do, but this is the gist of what the makeup is going to look like. So now we can take off our eye tape. You see how sharp and clean it just looks. Obviously, this one looks sharper than this one. So for eyeliner of choice today, we're going to use our Bella Pierre Cosmetics liquid eyeliner. I used this in my last tutorial, but this time we're not going to do a super dramatic wing. We're going to keep it very plain and simple because we want to keep the focus on the eye look, not the eyeliner. You get me? You get me. Yep, something plain and simple like that, where you can see the eyeliner, but it's not super dramatic and it's not taken away from what we just did. Alright, so now time for lashes. Lashes of choice today are these here. Let me put it in front of my face so you guys can see. Hopefully you guys can see that. Okay, there we go. So these are from Eben, New York. They are the natural cat eye 3D lash in the style Siamese. So I'm going to put this on and basically do the rest of my makeup off camera, and then we'll be back to work on the eyes again. And okay, so the face is on, so now we're heading back to, oh excuse me, the eyes. So the first thing I'm going to do is line my eyes. I'm going to take this 24-hour waterproof eye pencil from Persona Cosmetics, and this is in bronze. I got this in a boxy charm. We're gonna run this in our waterline. And to smoke this out, we're gonna go back into that enchanted color, which was the color that we used for our outer corners, and just smudge that underneath our lash line and put it as close as possible. Not really smoke it out that much, but you know, just to give this eye look a little bit more oomph than it already has. Okay, so this is where we're at. So now for mascara choice today is my Makeup Revolution Lift and Define 5D Lash Mascara. Because we have this mauve look going on, I'm actually going to do a mauve lip. So of course, instead of doing a brown this time, I think I'm going to take a purple. So this is Night Mauve by Lip Pencil by MAC. Okay, so actually I can't find the ultimate lipstick that I was going for, so I'm actually going to take this Fresh Kiss lip cream from ColourPop in the color Alt Rock. I think this will look good with it, and with the purple Night Mauve lip liner. And this, ladies and gentlemen, is our holiday glam look number 2. So this one is for those girls that want to go super glam and, you know, don't want to do, I mean, I guess this would be considered a norm, but not norm of like wearing black and gold with a red lip or something like that, like I did in my first one, which was again still more simple. All we did was an eyeliner and just put a gold liner on top and a red lip. This one is a little bit more intricate, a little bit more glam, and I love it. I love it. And to mix a purple with that tone of a lipstick instead of going brown, I just think it ties in the eyes perfectly. And yeah, so this is the look. I am absolutely in love with this look, and I just love this look. I don't know, is there something about this look that is giving it to me, but these lashes are not giving it to me. Okay, these lashes are not giving it to me. I mean, they go perfect with the look, but they're just not trying to stay on my eye. But yeah, I think this is a perfect holiday look. It's, like I said, it's good for the girls that want to do something super glam. And yeah, stop people in their tracks and, you know, let them ask like, who did your makeup? And you can say, girl, I said it. And I learned from Shardemarie. I'm just saying. But yeah, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this holiday look. And if you did, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, as well as subscribe and turn on your bell notifications. We are on the road to 1,000, hopefully by the end of this month. If not, then we'll just keep striving for 1,000 subscribers in 2022. But that's neither here nor there. I love you guys. Thank you so much for the support, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.